Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you that how can you add places using your mobile in Google Maps. So first of all you need to open Google Maps, which is this. So try to open this and that will open a current location. If it is not on, you can click on this question mark button to turn the on location of your phone, and now it is on. Okay, so now we want to add a location. Let's say I am standing somewhere where I want to add my place, such as my shop, or where I am living, such as apartment or anything. So as you can see, if I zoom that, the current location is somewhere here, right? And you can click on that. That will again zoom it or zoom out. And if I zoom in, you can see that this is my current location. So let's say I am standing in a shop, or I am living in an apartment. So right now I am living in an apartment and whose address I know. So I want to add this particular location and I want to give that address. So to that, what I will do, go to contribution, which is over here on the bottom, as you can see. So click on this contribution. So I want to add one more place, so click on this add place, right? So click on add place. So if you click on that, you can see you will get all these categories where you have to add the name, category, location, and all these things. So if you click on this location first, so click on that one, and it will give a default address, which is like Khanpur, Delhi Road, Durga Vihar, Devli, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi. So it is giving me this address, but I want to change this one, right? Because this is not the right address, which I want to give a correct address for this. So what I will do, I will click on that and I will write the address, which is 177 Main Road, Devli Road, right? And then I can write it is opposite Union Bank, and then it is next to HDFC Bank, right? So this is the full address of my current address, where I have just put this location, and I can add phone numbers, but before that you can add the name. So it is 177 Main Road, Devli Apartments. So I have given the first name. Category I can give, what is it? Is a residential, education. So it is it is not food and drink, it is not shopping, it is not hotels and lodging, and it is not religion. What is service? Services is all these things. So if I click on that, it is not a real estate agency, it is an apartment, but I am not a home builder, no. So I can't see that apartment thing, so go back. If you go residential, you can see that now it is housing society, apartment building. So it is apartment building, click on that. So it has, so we have defined the category on this. You can add the phone number to contact this, you can add the website, you can add the opening date, you can add the photos if you want, you can add the hours. So you can add the hours if you want to. So click on that, and if you click on this edit icon, which is over here, click on this to edit the hours, right? So you can click on that, you can say open 24 hours, and all the day you can select like this. So it has changed to blue, so all timings has been selected. Click on save and go back. So we have added the hours. You can add the phone number if you want, and that's done. Now you need to click on this icon to submit it. So click on that, and it is sending to Google to verify it. And if your current address, current location that you have provided gets verified, you will get email, or you can see your contribution on the Google Maps. So that's how you can contribute on Google Maps to address. Okay, so as you can see, as I told you, I got email from Google, and you can see that my edit has been accepted, which is over here. And
I got email for Google.
and it says, do you manage? Actually I did
Please
not,
open job for me.
actually I did not manage, so I can just cross
From
this.
Google.
And this is the location where the current address which I have edited or which I updated is get published,
Right.
but it will take around 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
And you can see
Tada.
it is published now,
Bye bye, guys.
and
Love
this
you
is the
all.
address. So after that, as you can see, I got this notification on Maps that my edit is live. If I can draw, and then I can show you.
Yes, I
This
can
one.
show you.
So it is live, and now if I click on that,
You know my puppet's a pretty guy.
click on got it,
You got it?
and now
No.
this is over here. And if I click on the direction, you can see this is the direction
Papa,
of address. And now,
this is our address.
yes, so we have add our addresses
Go.
on Google Map. So you can add addresses now. You can also edit photos over here if you want. You can give the photos by going updates, or go for reviews.
Go.
Go for reviews and write this. And as you can see, it has, so I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you find the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wiseman. Thank you.